You don't need 5 talents, a large following, or a startup capital to make money online. You just need one skill and a strategy to scale it. In this video, I will show you how to turn one skill you already have into a scalable income stream, even if you are starting from scratch. Most people think they need to be good at everything before they make money. That's a lie. The truth is, one skill is enough if you use it the right way. In my ebook, No Capital, No Problem, I walk you through how to identify hidden undervalued skills you already have. Align your skill with a real paying problem. Package it into a service or offer people actually need. One reader turned their love for Canva into a side gig designing IG carousels and now earns monthly retainers from clients across 3 countries. One skill, one tool, one smart plan. Once you are earning, it's time to shift from hustle to scale. That's where Grow Fast, Stay Sane comes in. Inside, I share how to avoid burnout, build systems, and turn your skills into products that sell while you sleep. Think of it this way: a skill earns, a system multiplies. Here is a quick roadmap I've helped people follow using just one skill. 1. Start with a service, e.g., freelance, consulting, or teaching. 2. Productize it. Example, template, ebooks, tools, checklists. 3. Scale it. Courses, membership, community. One skill becomes 3 streams of income without chasing trends or reinventing yourself every 3 months. If you are ready to turn your skill into real income, I've made it simple. Grab my ebooks, No Capital, No Problem, and Grow Fast, Stay Sane. For a limited time, buy both and get 25% off using the promo code COMBO. Links in the description and comment section. Drop a comment. What one skill could you turn into income this year? If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep building wealth.